Morning student, class 5th, subject science. I am your science teacher Rajiv Kumar. Now here we will discuss according to written point lesson number 6, solid, liquid and gases. We will discuss according to as that one by one. See the observe my dear student. First of all, you will see to now here some given picture already here. Yes, first picture is related to here. Observe my dear student. Okay, related to molecule characteristic. Next picture already here you will see to here. Okay, related to solid. If you will see to nearby the so many table, chair, pen, pencil all are. Yes my dear student, if you will see to there, yes. Okay, yes, according to their written, see the observe my dear student. Yes, about the matter. Okay, so anything that occupies the space and has weight is called matter. See the observe. You will see to another picture also related to molecule arrangement in liquid. See the observe my dear student. We will discuss to now here one by one. Yes, first of all you will see to here. Yes, the upper side the given below in the molecule arrangements in three state of matter. You will see to write down my dear student and identify according to that as that you will write down in your book. If you will see the first picture is here. Yes my dear student, what up in that? Now here the so many molecule, yes, nearby each other. It's mean the very less than space between. Okay, it's mean that is solid. And if you will see to another one, yes, more space from the solid, you will see to here. Yes my dear student, have you seen? This is liquid. Another one is, yes, lot of space between gas molecule. It's mean that this is gas. See the observe my dear student. Yes, now let's we will discuss to here. Yes, if you will see to the picture. Okay, yes, nearby your home, at home, in a school, anywhere, in classroom. So many different type of, yes, things will be there. Shape according we will observe to according to shape and size. So what means that? It's mean that my dear student. Yes, given things already here that they are all occupy space at the some weight. Anything that the occupy space as, yes, space and mass called matter. So we will say the another one. Yes, already written. You will see to here. Yes, what is the means? Anything that the occupy space and has weight is called matter. Yes my dear student, see the observe. Next, okay, as you like you will see to the picture. Yes, chair, okay, pen, pencil, book, copy, page and so many things already here. Yes, you will see to observe in your picture already all are matter. Okay, yes, it's mean that, yes, if you will see anything that occupy space, जगह घेरती है and that, yes, has weight, उसमें weight होता है. Okay, and is called matter. See the observe my dear student. Next you will see to here. We will discuss to here. Try it yourself. If you will see to take any three object, can, pencil, box, okay, and bottle, book, and place them on the table. Put on the table and that you will observe what happened that if you will see to the here and that you will see observe the book will take the space on the table and that means that, yes, it means that is matter. And if you will weighing the weight of that book and also another things, so it's mean that, yeah, that is called matter. Yes, so you must have to feel them they all are had weight. Okay my dear student, they all are matter. If you will see to there the according to observe, try it yourself, it's mean that is matter. Next you will see to here my dear student. Yes, what is the matter? Have you seen to here? Yes, what is the matter made of? Okay, Yes, matter किसका बना हुआ है? That you will see to now here. It's mean that my dear student, you're the continue to. If you will see to here, what means that? Yes, you will take the chalk and broken that time, and after broken you will see and observe. And yes, my dear student, and small pieces chalk will be there. Yes, you will get the small and small pieces chalk. Until that you will what happen after? Yes, my dear student. So yes, you will observe. Okay, that is matter. In the same way, the matter is made up of the tiny invisible particle is called molecule, my dear student. And molecule are the further made up of, yes my dear student, even their teeny particles. Okay, जो molecules है वो भी smallest particles है, made by small particles. Of what is the name of that? That is the atom. You will see, and all molecules the matter have the some space between, that called intermolecular space. You will see to now here what happened, that so many molecules are here. Okay, and you will see to and observe between the space, what the space will be there. You will see to observe, yes, space between another different molecule. Yes, it's mean that we will say intermolecular space. Another one, yes, you will see the another is. And what is the means of that? Why attract to each other nearby? It means that that is intermolecular force. The force of attraction between molecule is called intermolecular force. You will see to now here next. Yes, you will observe very easily, my dear student. If you will see to any molecules, just like, and what happened, that a space between. Okay, this is space. Okay, space. Okay, space between the two molecules. It means that we will say that is intermolecular. We will call intermolecular space, my dear student. See the observe next. Yes. Okay, another way you will see to here, the force of attraction you will see to here, and we will call, yes, intermolecular force. State of matter, the molecules you will see to observe. And now my dear student, that the yes can existing in three state. Yes, matter can existing in three state. You will see solid, liquid and gas. Okay, yes. In fact, the fourth state of the matter is called plasma. Another type stage we will say the plasma. Next you will see to here, first of all, now here you will see solid things, that the book, table, pencil, okay, and all are have definite shape. Okay, particular permanent shape, that is we will say, yes, different shape. And the molecule is solid and very closely packed. If you will compress the duster, chalk very easily, but yes, duster and chalk will not be compressed because that is solid, because very closely packed molecule in a solid. Yes, you will see to here, and they have to definite volume. Volume is that you will see to observe. Yes, that is the space and occupy space, and another one is you will see to weight. Okay, yes, my dear student, see the observe. Okay, next my dear student, have you seen to object is here, the book, pen, pencil, table are matter, but in a closely packed. Okay, molecule in the given things, the molecule closely packed. It means that the molecule arranged in a solid, as that we will say, yeah, that is called solid. Okay, next you will see to another one picture is here. Yes, try to yourself take any three solid object and place them. You will see to on floor and occupy the space, and observing you yourself, my dear student. And then next time we will discuss about the what is the means. You will yes, reply yourself and send to the message to me, my personal chat box. Next you will see to here liquid. Now my dear student, if you will see to the water bottle, okay, and there are, yes, you will fill the water and observing there liquid like the water on the, yes, and that have the following. You will see to here, and molecule are not very closely packed. Okay, if you will see to, yes, my dear student, what happened that now here you will see to and observe. It's mean that molecule will not be there in yes, in a water or juices, not yes, closely packed. So what happened that, and they do not have the definite shape. flexible and movable, overlapping. Yes, if you will pull down the water in a water bottle from water bottle to glass, and water will overlap, water will molecule overlap, and that pull down the water very easily one place to another, but solid will not be move as that same to water. It means that, so my dear student, do not have a definite shape. Water do not yes, if you will see, observe, yes my dear student, and they take the shape of container they are keeping. Okay, if you will fill the water in bottle and pull down the water from the water bottle to glass, what happen, that water will take shape of glass again. Okay, yes, and my dear student, liquid can flow. Liquid occupy the definite liquid occupy a definite shape, has a definite volume. Yes my dear student, if you will see to another characteristic, yes, observing to here this given picture, molecular arrange in a liquid. Yes my dear student, what up in that, you will see to here, observe. Yes my dear student, very yes, in between. Okay, the molecule are not very closely packed. Okay my dear student, see the, observe, lot of space between molecule, water molecule. Okay, so now observe, all of you try to itself in this video only. Next time we will discuss gaseous state also. Try itself, you will see, take the, my dear student, glass bottle and water and fill there and observe you. Yes, it's mean that now observe, water will take the shape of container, as that you will see and observe. Thanks to my dear students, I hope you will follow the given instruction, as that my dear student observing. Yes, see the, observe. Yes my dear student, yes, all of you the follow the given instruction, observing. So I hope, yes. Okay, send to me the if any yes, observing to, yes, and doubt, and send to my personal chat box. And see the, observe, take care, observing. Next time we will discuss about the gaseous state. Okay, see the, observe. Thanks to all, take care.